Hi there, students. A commotion. A commotion. It's a lot of noise, a lot of confusion. There was a commotion in the street which woke me up in the middle of the night. So a commotion, a noisy disturbance. Yeah? Okay, so I was distracted by a commotion that was taking place in the hall. So a racket, an uproar, some sort of ruckus. Yeah? A sudden short period of noise, confusion, maybe excited movement as well. So I think, yeah, the arrival of the Beatles on tour caused a commotion. Um, I went out in the corridor to see what the commotion was about, the kerfuffle, what the ruckus was about, what all the hoo-ha was about. There was a commotion outside the Houses of Parliament, and a man who was trying to protest was arrested. Okay, so an agitated disturbance, a hubbub. Yeah, a commotion could also refer to civil disturbance, civil insurrection, disorder. So on the way to a rebellion. The news about the scandal caused a commotion within the parliament. Yeah. So a hullabaloo. Yeah. Excitement, a racket, people shouting, agitation and turbulence. There was a bit of a flap about it. So to cause a commotion, yeah, something caused a commotion. The news caused a commotion. What a commotion there is going on in that classroom. I'll have to go in and see what's happening. Yeah, normally when the teacher leaves the class, there's a commotion in class and the kids are always doing all sorts of things. Yeah? I hate being woken by a commotion in the street. So a noisy uproar, confusion. Yeah? A commotion, I think it's actually a state of turbulent movement. Yeah, but this is more talking about noise and confusion and not knowing what's happening. So yeah, revealing the truth about this caused a commotion. When I came to pay the bill, there was a commotion because they wanted to charge me for all sorts of things I hadn't had. Okay, so the two people were rude to each other, and during the ensuing commotion, one of them hit the other one. Yeah, there was a commotion out in the street. Okay, yeah, well, there was a commotion when they discovered that the Prime Minister was going to arrive. I could hear a commotion going on inside the house, and I decided to call the police. So I guess also you could have civil commotion, damage caused by civil commotion, but I would say rioting and disorder as well. Okay, so this is the idea of a commotion. Yeah, a brouhaha, clamour, a racket, a disturbance. Okay, formality, a commotion. I think I'm going to give it 5.5 to 6 in formality, so use it anywhere. A touch on the more formal side. And then as to origin, well, it comes from Latin through French. From Latin, commotionem, which is itself talking about a commotion. Com, with, and motio, movement. So with movement, yeah, movement all together. So there's movement in all of the places. There was a commotion in the crowd when the penalty was awarded. Okay, so a commotion. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Commotion, a commotion.